It's a little chilly here today in New York, so I thought I'd make some egg drop soup. I usually use a box of chicken flavored Lipton soup mix, but I don't have any, so I put a couple boiling cubes in a pot of water, and I'm going to first bring that to a boil. In addition to not having the Lipton soup box mix, I also did not have any soup noodles, so I went ahead and I broke up some thick spaghetti. Now that my broth has come to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and dump in the noodles. And then I'm going to go ahead and stir that up and let that cook for roughly 11 minutes because that's going to make it al dente, just the way I like it. While my water is still boiling, or I should say my soup, I'm going to go ahead and stir in the eggs. I had mixed 2 eggs in the measuring cup. I stir that in and kind of just swish it around because that'll break it up while it cooks. And then once that comes back to a boiling, then I'll go ahead and I'll reduce the heat for the remainder of the time. My soup is now done, and I know it is going to hit the spot on this chilly and overcast day in the Northeast. Just check out how good that looks up close. Have a great day, everyone.